This one is the cardboard box that I am using for this decoration. This is the self-adhesive wall sticker. Let's stick this wallpaper inside the box. To cover the outside area, I'm using this tablecloth. This LED lighting I'm going to stick inside the box. With the help of this remote, I can change the color also. To make flowers, I'm using this crepe paper. So this is the way I have attached all the petals, and now my flower is ready. My flowers are ready now. Now let's attach these flowers together. To cover the edges of the box, I am using the strips of the foam sheet. And now this piece is ready with its final look. kept this piece next to my bed. I hope you like my today's video. So please do not forget to share and like it. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.